everybody, it's Neo, and I'm here in the kitchen, clearly, kitchen, microwave, you see there's stuff in the kitchen, and I have this is the Nutribullet, and it is a blender of sorts, and so we're gonna give this thing a try. We're gonna open it up and see how it is. This is the Nutribullet blender, and it's 1200 watts, and it holds 64 ounces, so it is freaking huge. So we'll see what we can make. It's very big. So it says, so we open it up here, and we have the registration card for it, and then we have some sort of manual, and you can see it's in these things here. So we're gonna turn it upside down, see what we can see if we can open it up. Okay, check this thing out. Okay, whoop. Box is empty now. And upside down Nutribullet. Okay, so here we go. Comes with one of those pusher deals. And oh, we don't need the cardboard. There's so much packing stuff. There's more packing stuff than there is blender. Okay. And this is the huge container for it. So this is what the stuff will go in. And then here is what the unit looks like here. And do I even have an outlet anywhere? I might have to go to the other side to get this one plugged in, but whatever. Yeah, it's a very short plug, so we're gonna move it around and we'll figure out how to make it, but let's check this out. So if you look at it, it's got suction cups in the bottom, so that's kind of cool, so it'll keep itself in place. But let's go, and I'm gonna move us around to the other side. And here we are on the other side here, so let me move some of my papers over as everything falls. And we'll put the blender here, and I think there's an outlet down there. It does reach. Good, we're good. Okay, so here we go. We have this. We have the blender top here. And I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit here, so I'll rinse it out just because it's the first time being used. It smells okay, but whatever. And here we go. So this is the thing here, and so we're going to try to make, I guess when you clip it on here, it makes it go. And then I have this thing here, these frozen acai super fruit packs that I got from Costco, I believe. What I'm supposed to put in is this frozen thing, and then mix it with 2 packs with a 1/4 cup of liquid and a 1/4 banana, and half a banana and optional half a cup of fruit juice, which I don't have any other fruit juice, I don't believe. So let's see. Oh, missed. It's a little bit missed. Let's see. So we got this in there. So I guess we need 2 packs of this. And then we have a banana. There's my half a banana, and then I need the liquid. I will use just some water because that's all I've got. And then this cap on it. And let's see. So if we power on, did that go on? Oh, there it is. Does it say how to blend it? Nope. Let's just try. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. Now it looks like a blended mishmash of wood. So let's see how it pours. So here we go. Very smooth. You can see here it's smooth inside as well. Wait, it looks like that's just the right amount for this cup. Yeah, it's pretty much just got all the dripping stuff out of it. It's a very thick thing I made. Super duper smooth. And oh man, that's delicious. Okay, let's see how hard it is to clean now. So let's see if I can rinse this off. I'll turn you guys around a little bit here as I rinse it out here. as I reach over to rinse it and get rid of all the acai and whatnot. That was the darkest looking shake I've ever made. And for fun, I'll stick a little bit of soap in it. And now let's put it back on the blender and mix it and see some cleaning. And I gotta say, that looks super clean now. You can see. And that's it. It's all clean and ready to go for the next one now. Super awesome. There we go. Thumbs up from me. And this is the Nutribullet, I don't know what, but it'll make a huge amount. Like that was just like the little single cup worth. Super delicious. I love it. Thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video. Subscribe to my channel. It definitely stuck to the counter really good with the suction cups. So I like it. Good. Okay, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.